This is the film strip template that we're going to use. It already has one picture in it, and what I'm going to do first off, under my layers panel, I'm going to click the second layer that has the first picture, toggle the invisibility on and off to see it. I do want to delete that picture, so I'm going to click on the picture and I'm going to hit the delete button. And it will double check here. Yes, we will delete that layer. All right, to get started, now I've just got the two layers and I want the bottom layer here active. And in my toolbar, I'm going to select my magic wand tool and I'm going to click inside the first box here. When I do that with the magic wand tool, it's going to select everything in the first box. I can see these marching ants telling me I've got a selection. Now I need to find my picture. So I'm going to go to the pickup folder, actually under T drive yearbook, current year. And just as an example, I'm going to use one from let's take grade 10. Let's go to the grade 10 candid folder. There we go. And with your picture, you will have it edited. There's a very cool website called photofunnia.com that you can use. And I'm going to choose my picture. Now I've got my picture ready to insert, so Control A is select all, Control C is to copy. I go back to my Filmstrip template.psd file and I press Control, Shift, Alt, and V as in Victor. That's the same as going Edit, Paste Special, and Paste Into. Alt, Shift, Control, V. Your picture won't fill up the whole frame here, or it might be too big, in which case you'll need to go Edit and Free Transform. Control T is the keyboard shortcut. I want to grab a corner handle, press Shift, and as I drag outwards, it's very laggy here, but as I drift outwards, I'll be able to resize my picture. I can move it into place where I want to put it, and there we go. When I'm happy, I simply press Enter. Okay, I've done one picture. I'm going to go back to the first layer. I'm going to use my magic wand tool. I'm going to select inside the second rectangle and I'm going to repeat the procedure. I'm going to find another photo and then I'll paste into. Okay, don't use the paste. It's got to be paste into. Alt Shift Control V. And that's how you'll do the file. When you are finished, what you'll do for me is layer and a flatten image. It's going to compress it all into one layer. Then you're going to save it as a JPEG. So making sure here we have one layer, I'm going to go layer, make sure flatten image. If I need to select it, I'll do so. It's grayed out, so I don't need to flatten it. But once I have it flattened, then I'll go File, Save As, and let's call it, it's got to be a JPEG. Okay, so I'm going to go to JPEG option here. And let's call it grade 10 and give it a specific name. And now I can copy it and I can put it into the yearbook. So that's how you do the film strip.